Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Install the SQL Server engine and SSMS and make sure the SQL Server service is running. Once done, create a dedicated service account and add a sysadmin login so you can perform initial configuration. Make sure TCP port 1433 is enabled for remote clients if needed. Otherwise, use Windows authentication locally. Connect immediately with SSMS to the instance, verify server properties, and confirm disk locations for data and log files before creating anything. Once connected, you create your database and configure storage. Add file groups, set realistic initial sizes, and tune auto-growth to avoid frequent expansions. Then choose a recovery model, full for point-in-time restore, simple to reduce log maintenance, and schedule transaction log backups if full or bulk logged. Next, create logins and database users, map them correctly, and assign least privilege roles. This prevents accidental admin permissions. Also configure default language and collation where needed, and set up indexing and maintenance tasks before loading production data. You finish by deploying the schema and importing data. Use transactional scripts, BCP, or SSYS depending on volume, and validate with targeted test queries to confirm integrity. Then enable SQL agent jobs for recurring tasks, set alerts for disk, CPU, and long-running queries, and implement automated full and log backups with retention. Document and rehearse recovery procedures. Test restores to a separate server. If something goes wrong, check the SQL Server error log and Windows event log first. Missing permissions or full disks are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.